हाय गाइस, आज हम देखेंगे एमएस ऑफिस की टॉप 50 एमसीक्यू। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, लेटेस्ट वर्जन्स ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस सॉफ्टवेयर फॉर विंडोज। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शंस डी, माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑफिस 2013। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which is not right versions of Microsoft Office software for Windows? Right answer is option C, Microsoft Office 2012. Next question, shortcut command for save is. Right answer is options A, Control plus S. Next question, which of the following is a spreadsheet program? Right answer is option C, MS Excel. Next question, which of the following is a word processing program? Right answer is options A, MS Word. Next question, in MS Word, which of the following shortcut keys are used for aligning text to center? Right answer is options A, Control plus E. Next question, which of the following applications is used for calculation? Right answer is options B, MS Excel. Next question, in MS Word, pressing Control plus D with result in. Right answer is options D, font dialog box. Next question, in MS PowerPoint, which functions keys in the keyboard is used to start a slideshow? Right answer is option C, F5. Next question, which of the following is a series of recorded commands to automate a task? Right answer is options A, macro. Next question, which of the following shortcut keys do you use to find a specific words in a document? Right answer is options D, Control plus F. Next question, which one is the functional keys asking to display save as box? Right answer is options D, Control plus F12. Next question, in MS Word, which of the following is not a font style? Right answer is option C, superscript. Next question, in MS Excel, what is the shortcut key to replace a data with another in a sheet? Right answer is option C, Control plus H. Next question, writing, editing, sorting, and printing a documents using computer softwares are known as. Right answer is options B, word processing. Next question, in MS PowerPoint, shortcuts for creating new slides is. Right answer is option C, Control plus M. Next question, what is the length of a Unicode's character? Right answer is options B, 16 bits. Next question, which one is the database software? Right answer is options D, MSSS. Next question, maximum numbers of rows in a Excel sheets under the versions of 2007. Right answer is options A. Next questions. Which tab is not available on left panels when you open a presentation? Right answer is option C, notes. Next question. Which of the following sections does not exist in a slides layout? Right answer is options D, animation. Next question. PowerPoint presentations are widely used as. Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question. A new presentation form. Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question. In slides layouts panels, how many layouts are available for text layouts by default? Right answer is options A, 4. Next question. What features will you use to apply motion effects in between a slide's exit and another's enters? Right answer is options B, slides transition. Next question. Which menu provides you options like animation schemes, customs animations, slides transitions? Right answer is options D, slideshow menu. Next question. In MS Word, press F8 keys for 3 times select. Right answer is options B, a sentence. Next question. In MS Words, what happens if you press Ctrl plus Shift plus F8? Right answer is options A. It activates the rectangular selection. Next question. What is the smallest and largest font size available in font size to on formatting toolbar? Right answer is options A, 8 and 72. Next question. What is the maximum font size you can apply for any character? Right answer is options B, 1638. Next question. How many columns can you insert in a Word document in maximum? Right answer is options B, 45. Next question. What is the shortcut keys you can press to create a copyright symbol? Right answer is options A, Alt plus Control plus C. Next question. Which of the following is graphic solutions for word processing? Right answer is options B, clip art. Next question. In MS Word, the keystrokes Control plus I is used to. Right answer is options D, apply italics formats to selected text. Next question. The minimum numbers of rows and columns in MS Word document is. Right answer is options A, 1 and 1. Next question. In MS Excel, which of the following is not a valid zoom? Right answer is options D, 500. Next question. Which area in an Excel windows allows entering values and formulas? Right answer is option C, formula bar. Next question. How are data organized in a spreadsheet? Right answer is options D, rows and column. Next question. The horizontals and verticals lines on a worksheets are called. Right answer is options A, cell. Next question. By default, Excel positions text in a cell's dash dash. Right answer is options A, left aligned. Next question. To center a paragraph using shortcut keys, press dash dash. Right answer is options B, Control plus E. Next question. An Excel's workbooks is a collection of. Right answer is options D, worksheets and charts. Next question. Excel's files have a default extensions of. Right answer is options A. Next question. What functions display row data in a columns or column data in a row? Right answer is option C, transpose. Next question. When you insert an Excel files into a Word documents, the data are. Right answer is options B, placed in a Word table. Next question. Which types of charts can Excel produce? Right answer is option C, bar charts, line graphs and pie chart. Next question. In PowerPoint, which keys on the keyboard can be used to view slideshow? Right answer is option C, F5. Next question. In PowerPoint, which of the following fills effects can you use for the slide's background? Right answer is options D, all of these. Next question. To print the PowerPoint presentations, press. Right answer is options D, Control plus P. Next question. Which of the following features should you use when typing in the notes text box? Right answer is options A, zoom. Thank you.